No.
What are you doing, Nico?
No.
No. No, Nico. Stop.
Oh.
No.
Ouch! 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 Ouch!
What do you have? Ah! Leave our tree alone.
Mommy, can I please make a wish?
Sure.
Because look, I wish that Santa Claus would come right now.
You gonna do it again?
Like pinata.
It's a pinata.
Oh!
Oh, Nico! No! No, Nico, don't hurt our tree.
He broke the pinata already.
Christmas is over.
He broke the pinata already.
There you go. Put it back.
Nico Gallia,
Thank you, Nico.
tear down this tree.
But now with some ornaments on it. Right?
Bye-bye.